Hello, my friend. Welcome back to the English Growth, your space to practice calm, simple, natural English every day. Today's topic is important. It is honest, it is direct, and it will help you grow faster. The episode is called Why You're Not Improving. Fix These Habits. If you ever feel stuck, if you feel your English is not getting better, if you feel you study but nothing changes, this episode is for you. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and listen carefully. Habit 1. You only consume, you don't produce. Many learners watch videos, listen to podcasts, read captions, but they never use English. You grow when you speak, write, and repeat, not only when you listen. So here is your fix. After every piece of content, do one small action. Speak one sentence out loud. Repeat a phrase. Write one line. It takes 10 seconds, but it builds fluency fast. Try this now. I am practicing English. I am improving slowly and consistently. Good. Habit 2. You only study when you feel motivated. Motivation is beautiful, but it is not stable. Some days you feel excited. Other days you feel tired. If you only study when you feel like it, your progress becomes slow and random. So here's your fix. Create a small daily routine. Just 5 minutes. Short, simple, consistent. One episode. One exercise. One paragraph. Small steps every day beat big steps once a month. Habit 3. You avoid mistakes too much. Many learners want perfect English. Because of this, they stay silent. They think before every word. They feel scared to make a mistake. But the truth is this: mistakes are the fuel of fluency. You learn faster when you try, fail, adjust, and continue. So here is your fix. When you speak, don't ask, "Is this perfect?" Instead ask, "Is this understandable?" Perfect English doesn't help you. Confident English does. Habit 4. You study vocabulary without context. Maybe you learn words from a list. Maybe you memorize meanings. But later, you cannot use the words in real life. Why? Because words live inside situations, not lists. So here's your fix. Learn vocabulary inside sentences, stories, and conversations. Try this. Instead of learning the word improve, learn a full line. I want to improve my speaking. Now the word is alive. Now you can use it. Habit 5. You don't review what you learned. Improvement is repetition. If you don't review, you forget. If you forget, you lose progress. So here is your fix. Every week, spend 10 minutes reviewing your vocabulary, phrases, and episodes. Just 10 minutes. It doubles your progress. Habit 6. You compare yourself to other learners. You look at someone who speaks better, or someone who learns faster, and suddenly you feel bad. But comparison kills confidence. So here is your fix. Compare yourself only to yourself last month, not to strangers, not to classmates, only to your own journey. Habit 7. You don't read out loud. Reading in your mind helps understanding, but reading out loud helps speaking, pronunciation, and thinking in English. So here is your fix. Read one paragraph every day, out loud. This trains your mouth, not only your mind. Stars, let's practice together. Repeat after me. Small steps every day. Mistakes help me learn. I am building fluency slowly and confidently. Good. You sound better already. You are improving, even if you don't see it. You are growing, even if it feels slow. Your progress is real. Your effort is working. Just fix these habits, stay consistent, and English will become easier, clearer, and more natural every day. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next episode of The English Growth.